It's all happening. We've got huge squid coming up from the depths. Look at this. Look at the sound of there, guys. That's unmistakable now. Look at that.
Look at the size of this squid.
Wow. Show us that.
Oh, getting ink on their boat.
Stand it up. Wow. Turn around into the sun.
Bit sharp.
Nice fish. So it's a Cape Connery king mission. And we wonder what attracted them here. Maybe they hang here because there's a whole carpet of them down there.
As soon as I get down to the...
Look at the bend in the rod.
Try not to high stick, old boy.
You don't want to snap that rod. Very embarrassing for the manufacturer.
I'm not even moving the rod. I'm letting the rod do the work.
It's going to be crazy. We could just pull 100 giant squid here. So what's going on, Dave?
Well, we've been jigging for kingfish and live baiting for kingfish, and had like 3 or 4 squid come up on the.
Only a puppy, that one.
That's a medium-sized one.
So we're just dropping that Sophia straight down, are we?
Yep.
Unweighted.
No,
Oh,
it's got
no.
a drop shot on it.
Shot.
There's more on the side.
Drop it over on the other side, quick.
Look at it coming up. Come and put the jig over here.
This side. It's on this side, right here.
Oh.
Do you want to put a jig on too, Melina? Watch out, there's a very weak little black rod over here that might just snap if something touches it. There he's on.
I didn't even get to the bottom.
Oh, just let it go again. There we go. Oh, that is on the bottom, isn't it?
No. Every time you stop it, then they come and grab it. Yeah, it's got in.
Here we go, deep offshore squidding. And they're not arrow squid, they're real squid, they're calamari. And we've got Jamie up the back here casting for kings. We've got Melina jigging for bait and jigging for kings. We've got Dave being general hand, working hard. You go for winding in large squid. Look at this one.
You know it, man.
Another one. So we just drifted 100 metres on one drift pull, 20 giants, something like that, some crazy amount of squid. We're gonna have to show some restraint. We can't just keep catching them. Geez, look at the size of that. Look at it, Dave. Whoa! You're chasing your own hand. Well done, guys. Woohoo! Monsters.
That's seriously the average size of the squid here, and bigger.
Oh, that's not even a big one.
It is just, the floor must just be blanketed with it. I wish we had Shane to go in there and film it.
Crazy.
Oh yeah.
Crazy.
We know the kingfish have been in this area the last couple of weeks, so it makes sense that they're here chasing these. So
Well, I reckon we're seeing them down there, but they're just not interested in us right now at the top. Why would they be coming up to us when that's down there?
well,
That's not exactly a squid rod, is it?
Sorry?
It's not exactly a squid rod.
No.
Oh, go bull.
heads up, coming in.
Well, I've never seen a spawning massive squid like this.
There's
ever.
another one just there.
Right under below it.
See if you can tease him up, someone.
Small one.
There's one coming for a jig. Bring it up, Joe Bull, right up near the camera. Bring it right up near the camera. Bring it right up near the camera. Jig a little bit.
No.
Oh, look at the size of this one, Dave. Spinning around, holding him up right for us. Crazy.
Think big.
Crazy. Spear him off.
Oh, there he goes.
Anyway, I've got to let him go because we got Gopal on.
We've got about 600 yards of Power Pro braid on this one, so should be okay.
Squid beak. There it is, everyone. Let's just see if I'm game. But look at him. He would pull me in and rip me to pieces. They are a ruthless killing machine. Hold him up for the camera, Gopes, like that. How come Melina? We've got to give some Melina some tips, Gopal, or something. We want to get her hooking up a few giants live to camera.
Drop it back down to the bottom.
Dave! Jesus!
Can you hook up?
And I'm on again.
Oh, Gopal. That jig is dynamite. Just when you thought they would grab anything, this proves that they're not. They really, jeez.
Oh my lordy.
What the? Oh
Seal
dear.
surely grab that. Where's the seal? Can anyone see the seal? I think it's been skipped.
We were just saying how the seals have been ignoring our squid.
Go, Paul.
They're chasing.
You got him?
No, the seal's chasing
On
the
your
squid
drag,
back.
on your drag.
The squid's chasing.
Line. Epic.
Whoa! That was a serious bloody squid too, mate.
Yeah.
That was one of the best ones we've had on today, and he's decided he wants it. Bring the head in, you've still got the head!
I've still got the head on the jig. Oh no.
Oh, it
Got
came
the jig
off.
back.
Have a look at the
Got a
candle.
tentacle.
That is classic TV. Have a look at that. That is classic. It's a good one too. Let's have a look at this. Oh, that jig.
Go, Melina. We're on again.
I would like to film that.
Get skinny.
G'day, I'm Brendan Wing. This is Ufish TV. Just doing a little segment on catching giant calamari. On the sounder here, we've marked up massive piles, layers of big calamari laying across the ocean. We're out on the east coast of Victoria. We're out in 16 metres. We'll leave the location unknown at this stage. But check this out. There you go. That is a serious outfit, and that's pulling pretty hard. Let me tell you, that is pulling really hard. We're marking up these squid. Layers of them. This is not an eggy rod. We've got to use heavier rod because there's a seal around. But even on this heavy rod, on the Therese, 50-pound outfit, they're bending it, and you've got to pull hard. All right, here he comes. Get the seal away. The size of this animal. Oh, the size of that. Look at the size of that, everyone. That is a big squid. Look, big Dave in the camera. All right. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to pull out. We're going to show you the Sophia. There it is, the Sophia. That's the 04T, I think, that one. Size 3.5. Anyway, let's put the squid back. Come on, big boy. Come on. Right. I'm going to put him back down with his mates. That was a 2 kilo squid right there. Yeah, snapper would have been about the same, wouldn't it? Is that magma squid?
It's pretty magma, isn't he?
Okay, we'll take that, please. Someone.
He's in my league of largeness, I'll give him that.
Swaps, mate, and I'll come down the back and look at him.
That is big.
Oh, mate.
Look at the size of this.
Mate. Whoa! Whoa! No way! That's it.
That is large.
Oh, wow.
And someone asked me how I thought this new colour jig was going to go, and I said to them, think in the clear water it's going to be a winner, and it's just dominated all day.
And there's the model number right now, everyone, on the bottom of the screen. And that's the result, that giant. Look at it. Look at that, Dave. I'll get a photo on your camera for you.
Yep.
It'll be the best photo you've ever seen, old boy. I got one, but he's not.
Oh!
We'll get down with a camera for this. Oh, it's an attack.
They're smashing each other.
The first time ever, I'm catching a squid and I'm not nervous about it. Not nervous if I lose him. How you going, old boy? How you going? What's like going to Sereno?
Huh?
This is going, old boy. Come on. There you go. See you, champ. How's that? We're just releasing giant squid, one after the other. Got a bit of weight on that one, guys?
Here comes the seal.
Coming up the
He
back
is not.
line of the boat now.
Hurry up, Gopal, hurry up. Oh, and there's squid all round with it. Whoa! You're not into releasing them, are you?
No. Dinner.
Oh crap, that's got some bend. Rotate the
No,
rod.
it doesn't.
You're going to get sealed.
Uh-oh.
I think you've been sealed.
I think so.
No,
That is giant.
it's a big squid, mate. This is where we need to feed the seal another one. Where is he?
He's not here anymore. I think he took off with the one that I threw at him.
Run off with Dave.
He's a good one, isn't he?
Yeah, it is.
All right, Dave, I'm going to slip in the corner there, old boy. Dave's going to get in the corner. Just keep working because we're going to get to beat that seal. Melina Hoda, she's filmed a barrel bluefin on Ufish TV and now she's catching barrel squid. Keep on him.
Look at the size of that.
Oh, wow. Look at that flare up. Look at this. You've got to be kidding me, don't you? You've got to be kidding me. Look at this. Melina.
Get over there.
That is huge, and that's got the 14T. Now watch him change colour when I put him on my top. Get on there, big boy. There we go. Put him on a black surface and he